Hello everyone, this is Don's Meditations coming to you with a video. If you can see it, talking about my Fire Stick TV, and I used to have Gears TV, but it no longer exists. I don't know what happened. I had Gears TV for a couple of years now. Yeah, maybe a couple of years. And Gears TV had all the channels. But I now no longer have it because it wasn't working. I even tried to submit a payment, which they were doing it every month. They were taking it out every month, but now every time I try to submit a payment, it would just say card's been declined or whatever. So I just decided to delete the app because it had two parts. It had the Gears TV, and then it had the was it that the TV guide part called, it was called MTV Pro. So that's what it came with. And yeah, so I just deleted it. So now I'm looking for another ITV service. So if anybody can send me a message on my on the bottom, if anybody can give me any ideas or any other ITV that's pretty cheap, because I was paying like $20 for Gears TV, and I was getting all the channels. I was getting all the sports channels, which I love. I had NBA TV, ESPN, Fox, Sports West. Had all the channels. It had NBA League Pass, which I like. It had the football channels. They even had pay-per-view. And I was getting that offer $20. So that was awesome. And I loved it. Because I get all the channels. I had HBO, Showtime, all the movie channels. It was all for $20. And pay-per-view where I can watch some of the the MMA fights. The UFC fights and all that, the boxing matches, all that for $20. That's awesome. So now I have to find another ITV, another streaming TV that shows all the channels. So if anybody can show me, tell me like anything, any other ITV streaming channels, please let me know, because now I have to look for another one. So yeah, I have to look for another one. So this Pluto one I've been using. It's free, if you can see it. I've been kind of using that. I actually just used it today, and it's okay, but I haven't looked through. Well, yeah, I don't have all the it don't have like any sports channel like ESPN. I haven't seen it, so I'm trying to figure it out. Then I'm going to the Amazon. Well, I'm going to the internet right here, and I don't know what's going on with this, but it keeps popping up with YouTube, and I'm like, why is it doing that? So, see, look, it say YouTube. So I don't know what's up with that. Why is it showing YouTube on my Silk browser? Why? I want to go to just the internet. So, yeah. Please press to search the web. Oh, okay. Maybe. Okay, I want to search the web. Press that button to search the web. Oh. I figured it out. Okay, so there it is. But anyway, I'm looking for another ITV service. So anybody have any services that they can recommend, let me know. All right, but so Gears TV no longer exists. I'm here to tell you, Gears TV does no longer exist. It's gone. I tried multiple times to contact them. They haven't responded. Trying to figure out why my payment hasn't went through. They haven't responded at all. And so, and I tried to go on the website, and I saw on the website that it was some kind of investigation or something. I'm not sure, but anyway, looks like Gears TV is no longer in service. So, all right, guys. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I usually have more. My content is usually more about health and health and wellness, and that's what I pretty much do. But I thought I'd share this video because it's something I was like frustrated with, and I thought I'd share it with you and let everybody know what's going on. And I'm in Los Angeles, so I guess it's everywhere. So anyway, have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And thank you. Peace and love.